Howdy, welcome back to the Big Blue Workshop. My grandfather was the one person in my family that everybody says I was most like. He died when I was 6 years old, so I didn't get to know him well. But I do know that he was a carpenter, he was a little bit of a woodworker, he was an oil field guy, and I know he loved his grandkids. But he had a set of sawhorses that he built back in the 50s that my mother had rescued from his shop before they sold the house, and had them just rotting in her backyard. So I went and rescued them and took them all apart and made an end table out of them that I covered in resin. Take a look at how I did it. I preserved all the saw cuts, all the paint that was on them. I didn't do anything to them other than cut them, build a table out of them, and then coat them in resin. So let me know what you think, and make sure you click subscribe and enjoy the video. Have a great day. by the way, if you notice, I'm hiding over here in a corner because if I stand right here, the sun is coming right through the window into my eyes. So I just moved back over here in front of my belt sander. Hope you enjoyed that video, and definitely click subscribe, click like, and come back, take a look at some more videos, and definitely post some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Have a great day.